Welcome back to another RoastLog Minute. This is Lindsay, and I'm going to take you through inventory movements. So remember, inventory is at the heart of RoastLog, and it allows you to manage your green inventory across both roasting and non-roasting locations. So here I have the inventory page up, and you'll notice all these coffees or coffee bean lots are organized by origin, but you will notice in the second column here that the status will indicate the actual disposition of those coffees. Some are in-house within a roasting location, while others are in warehouse. And then you'll notice here, actually, for this Brazilian, we've got one en route. That indicates that the coffee is part of a delivery that you've set up in RoastLog, and you're expecting delivery or delivery is forthcoming. We'll cover that in another video, but for now, let's talk about how to move a coffee from a warehouse to in-house. To do so, you'll take one of your copies. Again, let's go to the Brazilians here. Go to the third one down, the BRSER 17547. The V1 indicates version 1. Versioning is part of the naming process or the nomenclature that we use so that you can organize coffees and distinguish coffees that may be of the same lot, but perhaps they have a different cost basis or something that distinguishes them and you want to keep them separate. So if I took that one, put a checkbox next to it, and I'll keep it simple. I'll just move one coffee for now, but if you wanted to move multiples, you could. You put a check mark next to it, come to the Actions menu, select the action Move Inventory. In doing so, you'll go ahead and open up a new page where you can manage all the details. You can select where you want to move it. So in this case, City Coffee is the name of our roastery. If we had multiple roasting locations, those would be listed here. It will show you where the current inventory stands. So in this case, it's at Cafe Imports in Minneapolis. You have 20 bags available to move. You just go ahead and select however many you want. So let's move like 2 of them. If there have been any price changes since you initially entered this item, you could make those changes here, and we'll call it, I don't know, $3.85. You have the option then at this point to either de novo create a new item, and since we did change the price, I would say create that new item, but in the event that everything stayed the same, you can actually merge it into an existing inventory item. When you're happy with that, the next line allows you to select whether to create a new roastable. Again, we'll cover this in a separate video, so go check out the one about roastables if you want more details about that. But in this case, we've already got an existing roastable, so let's click that off so we don't create another roastable. There's some other fields here that you can update. Maybe what I'll do is add a storage fee, $100 storage fee, and maybe there was some sort of transfer fee. You wanted to track that. You can add reference numbers, shipping numbers, and in any free text notes that you want. Make a mental note of the bean, and once I hit move and head back over to my page, you'll notice that 2 bags were moved. And now that original item has 2 fewer bags. It started at 20 bags and now it's 2 bags less. And that new item got incorporated into a new version of that bean. 2 bags, it reflects the new value. And going forward, whenever you use this coffee as part of a roastable, those updated costs will be tracked going forward. And then you can actually report on things like batch to batch cost. You can look at this information in a report. That's it for now. Any questions, always reach out to us at support@roastlog.com. Hope you're enjoying the product, and we'll see you next time.